Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you like how to improve your system performance. Most of us have a lot of problem with our system running very slow. So with few of the steps actually which I'm going to suggest you, you can improve your system's performance up to 60%. And this is my own experience here. I'm only suggesting and only sharing those things which I experience by myself. Okay, so the first thing which you can do is just open the task manager and then go to startup and identify and disable unnecessary program. So when you open task manager, you will see the window like this, and then you will see different tabs like process, performance, app history, startups. You have to go to startup, and under startup you will find these things like status, enabled, disabled, so here you can identify the program which you don't need actually. So those programs you can just disable like I did actually. Here you can just click them and then it will give you option to disable. So you can disable from this side. So this is the first step which you should do in order to improve your system performance. Next is open run. Like to reduce runtime services, you just have to type in your command prompt. You just type your run, and it will open the run. It will open the run, and then here you type msconfig. Msconfig will allow you to open this kind of window like system configuration, and here you just have to go to the tab named services. So first thing which you do is click here, hide all Microsoft services. So this will help you to hide all the Microsoft services which are essential actually, so you don't have to worry, and it will reduce a lot of processing, lot of services from the chart. So it will basically help you to reduce the task which you have to see, and then from here you can just tick mark those services which you don't want. And then you can select those services and then you can click disable all. So in this way it is also helpful for improving your system performance. Next is power option settings. So mostly by default the power option settings is generally on this one, balanced recommended, but you can always go to your power option setting from control panel, and then you can click on high performance. Once you click in high performance, then you save the settings and then you exit. Next is delete all the temporary junk file. So as you spend more and more time, as you run a lot of programs, and as your some computer goes very old, then it is very important for you to delete all the temporary files. This is very like a basic approach, but most of us they don't know. So that is why it is important to do this. Just open the run command and again type temp. It will take you to the folder like this. PC, your C drive, and then Windows. Under Windows in the temp folder you will see all these kind of files. You can just control A and then you can delete all the temporary files from the computer. Next is on the same sequence you can just type percentage temp percentage, and again you delete all the temporary files. After this you can type prefetch, and then again delete all the again. And after prefetch you can again type recent. So recent, and this will open all the recent files. Here you might get confused because in recent option also you will see lot of like a lot of your folders and files, and then you might be a little afraid of deleting those files, but don't worry, you can delete all the files from recent option because those files are already saved in your drive. So you can delete anything from the recent folder. This is just a temporary storage, so you can delete all of them. And then next step is disk clean. So you can just open my computer, right click the C drive, and then click disk clean. Like once you open the my computer, you will see C drive, D drive. You can just right click on the C drive and then see the property. Under the property you will see this option disk cleanup. You just click on this disk cleanup and this will also solve a lot of your problem. So I'm telling you guys, I was having the same problem. My laptop is Asus and it has 16 GB RAM, but still I get lot of time, all the time I get like system performance issue. And then once I did all these steps, then it is I'm able to actually increase the performance time by almost 60% actually, I should say. So yeah, follow these steps if you are having the same issue, and thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye.